Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to WASSCE 2018 past question. Question number 20 says, during the reign of King Ahab, Heil of Bethel rebuilt Jericho at the cost of the lives of his children. A. Amaram and Adonijah. B. Phonis and Phinehas. C. Abinadab and Malachshua. D. Abiram and Shegub. The correct option here is option D. Abiram and Shegub. These are the names of the son of Ed, and during this period he wanted to rebuild the wall, the the wall of Jericho. At that time, then he lost the lives of his children. So we find this in the first Kings, first King chapter 16 verse 34. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.